Happy New Year if I don't see you before then. We're working on something. Might get back to you before then, might not. We'll see. Anyway, welcome to Christmas lunch at, I don't know, Alf and Mrs. Alf's house. Try not to mention any names. Right, I'll take you through it. This is Devil's on a Horseback, and this is sausage that we've taken out of the very, very tough skin that they come in, and we've split them into more sausages, added a couple of bits to them, and then wrapped them in bacon. Bacon is not really important, it's the flavour of the sausage after the bacon, but if you want to eat bacon, feel free. This is cilantro, garlic, butter and oil on what's going to be roasted potatoes. They've already been pre-cooked, or pre-boiled, sorry, parboiled, and they're going to go in the oven for 40 minutes-ish in a minute. That is a Food City stuffing mix that's been cooked already, that's ready. You have to forgive the dogs, they're excited because things are going on today. Right, this one here is cauliflower with cheese and white sauce and blended mushroom. So that should turn out alright, that's going to go in the oven in a minute as well. And just below that, garden peas with butter and a bit of salt. And this is our turkey breast. Now, we didn't want to get a whole turkey because our oven isn't great and there's not a lot of room for everything, so we've got a small one, and what we've done is we have courgettes if you're English, zucchini if you're American. We have a couple of mushrooms in there that I had left over from that. And we've got 3 different coloured carrots that are in there, and garlic and oil and butter and Italian 5-spice and a tiny bit of paprika, which got a little bit more than a tiny bit because, you know, our paprika shaker is kind of interesting. And what else is in there? Oh yeah, stuffing. Sage and onion, basil stuffing, English mix, homemade, in the turkey, and we've got a few stuffing balls placed around with what we had left over. And that's going to go and cook in the oven in a minute, along with the cheesy thing and the sausages and the potatoes. And I think that's about it. Well, I hope you all had a very good Christmas day and a very happy New Year to everybody. And from us over here, good night, hope you had a good one. See you next year.